Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more educational content. Today we're diving deep into the Reasoning Through Language Arts or RLA section of the GED exam. This is a crucial part of the GED test series, and we're going to break down everything you need to know. The RLA exam is a combined assessment of your reading and writing skills. It used to be two separate exams, but now they're merged into one. The test runs for 150 minutes, and there's a 10-minute break between the second and third sections. Let's get into the details. Reading is a major component, making up roughly 80% of the exam. You can expect different types of questions like multiple choice, drag and drop, and select an area. The writing section is primarily an essay, accounting for about 20% of your total score. You'll be given two texts with opposing viewpoints. Your job is to write an essay within 45 minutes, arguing which text is better supported by evidence. Question formats can vary, including multiple choice, drag and drop, select an area, and drop-down questions. Each serves to assess different aspects of your reading and writing capabilities. The RLA exam is designed to measure your skills in reading for meaning, identifying and creating arguments, as well as grammar and language usage. To excel in the RLA exam, practice is key. Don't forget to time yourself while practicing, especially for the essay. Stay tuned for future videos where we'll cover preparation techniques in detail. So, that's your complete guide to the RLA exam of the GED. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and share it with your friends who are also preparing for the GED. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and strategies.